Hey everybody, Nick here with Rogue Overland, and in this video I'm in the Bubba Gear booth and I'm going to take you through some new products that they have available here at the SEMA 2022 show. So I'm going to talk about two products that they have. The first one I want to go through is the off-road recovery gear set. So this came to fruition with the idea that they want to make it as easy as possible for the consumer to get the fundamental off-road gear they need to perform an off-road recovery. So what they've done here is they've taken, first off, their traditional power stretch rope, and that's the first piece of the kit. So you've seen that video. I'll put a link here. It's basically where you're using that kinetic energy to help extract a stuck vehicle and make the recovery much easier. So that's going to be the first piece in this gear set. The second piece of gear that's in this gear set is the synthetic gator jaw shackle. Now these are great if you're not familiar with them because they are extremely strong and they're light. So now you have significantly less weight in your recovery gear set, which means less weight in your vehicle and less stress on the vehicle when you're out adventuring. So you're getting two of these shackles. The great thing about this is that it all comes in the same kit, and they've provided this bag to stow everything that you need when you're going to be making that recovery. You can buy the sets depending on the size of your vehicle. So smaller kits for smaller vehicles like UTVs, and then all the way to kits big enough for full-size vehicles. As with all of the Bubba Gear products, we love that they're made in the USA, and we have used them for years and they're extremely durable. I'll put a little quick video clip here, but we actually used one of these ropes to drag a vehicle off of Poison Spider Mesa in Moab and just drug it across the rocks all the way off the trail to get this downed vehicle back to the main road. And the rope was extremely dirty, but it was still in good shape, good functional shape. So these products are great. Now let's head over here and I want to talk about one other cool product that I'm seeing in their booth. The other product that I found in their booth and I want to show you guys, this is a product that is in development right now but should be available later this year, and they're calling it the Bubba Wear-Ever. And this is basically a synthetic thimble that goes inside of the eyelet of your recovery rope. And see, you could just throw this around and it's extremely durable. So if you knock it around, it's still fine. But the thing that's exciting about this product is it is designed to help your recovery rope last longer. Okay, we're trying to make it more durable in this area where when you're doing the extraction, there's a lot of load and a lot of force. There's actually a lot of heat being produced here. Now, I was chatting with the guys at Bubba Rope, and what you'll see sometimes is you will see companies putting synthetic sleeves over here. And the problem is that sleeve doesn't stay uniform in the recovery process. It can never be perfectly smooth. And if there's ripples in that sleeve, when the forces are applied, that can actually cause more damage to the eyelet. So what this does is it fits right in there. And now we're keeping nice good form here so we can get our rigging done easily. And then also we are protecting and managing the heat and the forces to the rope during the recovery. So that's a cool product. Look for it in the near future. And if you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. You can find us on all social media avenues at Rogue Overland, and we'll see you on the trail.